Direct-to-shape printing is a new technology which is combining the robotics and also the printhead technology, which both Epson has from the beginning of the business. There's a robot which is gripping the helmet, and the helmet is moving under the printing head, and the printing head is moving to do the printing on a CMYK basis, which means a full-color printing can be possible using the printing head. This direct-to-shape printing is based on the inkjet printing, which is also called as a digital technology. Currently, the printing technology for the helmet, for instance, is based on the analog screen printing, which requires 4 people and also requires 40 minutes, 60 minutes to prepare the plating, do the printing, and cleaning the plate, for instance. Using the digital can be possible to do in 2 people and in 15 to 20 minutes, which can be very much cost efficient and also doesn't require a special skill to print. So this is a huge benefit. So typically, as you can see, we are now showing a helmet, but we don't have a limit for the helmets. For instance, we are also showing the samples for mouses, for the PCs, and also for the wheels for the automobiles. So any type of shape with having a curvature shape can have a benefit for this technology.